This is gonna be a 4.6. The way you calculate the oxidation number, there was 8 rules you had to memorize. One of the rules is O if it's not with F. So F and you have peroxides. So other than that, O always equals to -2. So look, the way you can calculate the oxidation number is you're gonna know one of them, and this, the oxidation number of this plus this should equal to the charge. So we'll try like a few of them. So look, first we'll start off with this. One of the second rule is of a simple ion is just its charge. So this one's -2, and they're asking in which one the sulfur atom is +2. So this one's wrong. Here, look, so you have sulfur, we'll say its oxidation number is X. We don't know it. And oxygen, we know it's -2. So it's X minus 3 times 2, X plus 3 times -2 should equal to -2, yeah? That means X plus -6 equals -2. Take 6 to the other side. X equals 4. We're not looking for 4, we're looking for +2. So it's wrong. We'll try it again here. So instead of 3, there's gonna be 4. That's the only difference. So 4 -2 equals to -2. X minus 8 equals -2. X is 6. This is still not what we're looking for. Here, so here S2. So it's 2x. This is x and this is -2. So 2x minus, so you see 3 times -2 minus 6 equals to -2. Take 6 to the other side. 2x equals to 6 minus 2. 2x equals 4. Divide both sides by 2. X equals +2. That's the correct answer. We can, I'll also try with this one to show you how it would work. So here, instead of being 6, it would be 6 times -2. So it would be 12 equals to -2. Take it to the other side. 2x equals to 12 minus 2, +12 minus 2, which is 10. X equals 5. It's more than double what we're looking for. Okay. Here, again, you should already know the one for O. See right here, it's -2. You should already know it. So we don't know what n is. So it's x plus 2, -2 should equal to 0. You see the charge here is 0. So x minus 4 equals 0. X is 4. That's it. Hydrogen. So hydrogen is always +1 unless it's in a metal, and oxygen is always -2. Cl is always Cl and Br are always -1 except with oxygen. We don't know what it is with oxygen, so that's what we're trying to find here. We have 2 knowns and we have 1 unknown. So we know what H is. H is 1 plus Cl is x. So we have 1, x, and -2. I'll write them like that. So 1 plus -2 times 1 plus 2 into -4 plus x should equal to 0. 1 minus 8 plus x equals 0. X minus 7 equals 0. X equals 7. That's it. For this one, instead of equating it to 0, you equate it to -1 because that's what the charge is. So I'm gonna zoom in. So that means that x and -2 again. So x plus 4 times -2 equals to -1 instead of being equal to 0. So that means x minus 8 equals -1. Take 8 to the other side. Becomes x equals 8 minus 1. So x equals 7. For this one, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know why in this part they left out half of the first equation. See how it is here versus how it is here. They left out half of the first compounds, but I think because it said an acidic medium here at the beginning, you're supposed to know it has H plus. So let's try it without any of the coefficients. So you have an acid, and let's say that manganese is a metal. So metal oxides are basic, so it reacts with an acid. And what acid did it react with? It reacted with H2SO4, H2SO3, sorry. And also when you react something with a sulfite or sulfurous acid, sorry, sulfurous acid is H2SO3. When you react something with H2SO3, you get a metal sulfate and water, salt sulfate. So it would have been MnSO4 plus water, or whatever. Okay, so now we start calculating. So we have calculate the H first. Okay, so we have two H's here, we have one H. Add the two here to start with. We have, let's count the O's. We have 4 plus 1. Here we have 5. Here we have 7. So add the 2 here. Becomes 6. Still not enough. But add the 3 here. Becomes 3 O's plus 4, 7. But then now there's 6 H's. So now 3 here, 6 here. So now the O's are even. Is that not all you need? What else is not even? So you have 6H, 6H, 7 O's. I think it might be because of the charges. So in total you have 8 plus 15. That's 23 O's on this side. And another 23. You don't need the 5s and the 2s. I don't know why they have it like this. Forget this part. Here, the way you can tell, I'll go back to the original. I honestly couldn't solve this. I don't know, there might be something wrong with the question, or I might have just done something wrong. So look here. Which one got oxidized? This one, it lost an oxygen. Not this one, it lost oxygen. See, it doesn't have oxygen anymore, and this one gained it. So that means this one got oxidized, this one got reduced. So the reducing agent is what causes something to get oxidized. So this made it get oxidized, and this made this get. The reducing agent makes it get reduced. It's what got oxidized. So because of this, it got reduced, and this one got oxidized. Get it? So it's the whatever the opposite. So whichever one got reduced is the oxidizing agent. Whichever one got oxidized is the reducing agent. I still don't know why they have the 2s and the 5s. It's useless. You don't need them. It's probably for the charge or something. So look here. You already know O's. You already know all of the O's. So look. Okay. Anything it's in its elemental state, that's the first rule. Anything in its elemental state. So tungsten, let's say for example H2, F2, Cl2. Like this, it's always gonna be 0. Anything it's in its elemental state is 0. So this is the lowest. It's 0. We know that this is -2. So we have 2x plus 3 -2. Doesn't have a charge, so we equate it to 0. So 2x minus 6 equals 0, take 6 to the other side, 2x equals 6, x equals 3. So I'll put all of the numbers under everything. So this one was 0 and this one was 3. Now I said last time that Cl and Br, almost all halides, are usually -1, except for with oxygen. They're not with oxygen here, so you equate it as -1. So that means x minus x plus 4 times -1 equals 0. So x is just 4. Then if you do the exact same thing here, just x is 5. That's it. Just try to make it 0. So this is -1 times 5 plus x is 0. So it's just x minus 5 equals 0. X is 5. Here, O is -2. So -2. And here it's -1. So it's x plus 2, -2 plus 2, -1 equals 0. I forgot the negative sign. So that means it's x minus 4 minus 2 equals 0, x equals 6. Oxidation number of O and Na2O. So this part you memorize again. O is unless with fluoride or with a peroxide, O is always going to be -2. Oxidation number of N in this one, so H is going to be +1 because it's not in a metal, so it's +1. So you have 1 plus, and then O is going to be -2, so 3 times -2 plus x equals 0. 1 plus -6 plus x equals 0. X minus 5 equals 0. X equals 5. Positive, yeah? And then here, since Cl is with O, we don't know what it is. So it's x plus 3 -2 equals to -1. Because look at the charge. It has a charge. The charge is -1. So x minus 6 equals -1. Take it to the other side. X equals 5. Positive 5 again. Then for the last one, anything it's in its elemental state again is just going to be 0.